we just wanted to come at you today and give you some tips and tricks on some ways that you can integrate essential oils into your fitness lifestyle. And whenever we're trying to think of something to do with oils, generally the first thing we go to is the Essential Life book, because there's more in here than I think we all realize. It's a dense book. But one of the fun sections in this book is the Essential Lifestyle section, and it's chocked full of recipes. And there's a whole section dedicated to fitness. And there's all kinds of different things in here. There's a protein shake, a muscle soak. I'm feeling that. But there's also some like post-workout rubs where you can get some carrier oil and some essential oils and rub yourself down, help you relax and help your muscles relax and readjust. And there's just so many different tips and tricks that you can find in the Essential Life book, and we just wanted to remind you of all the different things you can find in here. But if you're thinking more of, well, that's great for my personal use, but I want to teach a class or help people to learn about the different ways that essential oils can help you get healthier. And that's why we have these DIY class kits. For example, the two that we have in front of you are the fitness kit and the personal care kit. And each kit, I guess I'll just pull this out really quick. This is the sample for the fitness one, but each kit comes with 10 worksheets. So it's gives a rundown on fitness and essential oils, and gives you some spots to fill out like things on what oils you would personally use. And then the back side is full of a bunch of different recipes. So there's 10 of these sheets in the kit, but then there's also, oh dear, I must have dropped it, but each kit comes with 11 sheets of stickers. So that's nice because each person who gets a worksheet can get a set of stickers, but there's also an extra so you can make some displays of what this recipes will look like or turn out as. So that's nice. And it also comes with some little table tents, so maybe if it was easier and you wanted to make forgive me, I'm trying to figure out how to word it. If you wanted to make rotations, instead of trying to teach all of them at once, you could have people go to different tables and do different recipes at each table. So that'd be kind of fun. But yeah, so these are like more deodorants, post-workout stuff, pre-workout, whereas the personal care kit, similar story. It comes with the recipe workout sheets and then the sticker labels, but then it's got a variety of things for your personal life. So there's from things like mouthwash to, again, deodorant, breath, nails, but also there's a skinny wrap too. So there's different ways that the different aspects of these kits kind of apply into fitness and other aspects of your life. So yeah, we just wanted to fire some ideas at you guys. And oh, and by the way, these kits, while they come with all of the instructions on ideas how to run the class, stickers, worksheets, they don't come with the bottles. Those are separate. So, all right, we wanted to give you guys some ideas today, and we hope that you guys get healthier and stay healthy. See ya.